while the movement is being cleaned in the ultrasonic cleaner, it's a good time to clean up the case. Now I use Old English oil. I have been using it for years. I use it on all my antique clocks. Some people don't suggest it. My videos show you what I do. It's just a guide. You do what you want to do to your clocks. But what I do is put the Old English oil on the case. And then I have a little brush here that I could brush into the case to get all the nicks and crannies, clean it all up, and then I use a rag to wipe it off. And I might do this a couple of times to shine it up. Some people say that the Old English oil causes mildew, or I've never had a problem with it. So I do have some other stuff. To me, it takes more time to rub it all in. It's kind of like a wax. You rub it in, then you rub it off. This, to me, works really well. Again, my videos are only a guide. You do what you want to do. And again, I hope you guys like my videos. If you do, please hit the subscribe button. I post videos to my YouTube channel quite often, and there's quite a few videos already on my YouTube channel. Please hit the subscribe button. It only takes a few seconds. But I'm going to continue cleaning up the case while the movement is being cleaned in the ultrasonic cleaner. I got it set for 15 minutes, and then I will rinse it with water afterwards. And then some people say rinse it twice in water. Afterwards, I'll put in some alcohol, and then I'll take my hair dryer. I have an ice cream bucket set up that has several holes in the ice cream bucket to allow the water to run out. The lid of the ice cream bucket's got a hole in it that my hair dryer fits in just perfectly. I put all the parts in the ice cream bucket, put the lid on it, put the hair dryer in the hole, turn the hair dryer on, and it works really well drying the parts up. So I'm going to continue to clean the movement to include the inside of the case to get all the cobwebs and dust and dirt out. And we'll come back in the next video with the putting the movement together. Again, hit the subscribe. It only takes a few seconds.